Please smell my face.
What is it? A fart?
For the next 5 days, your girl will be applying fermented rice water on her face every single day so that we can record the biggest changes that my skin experienced during this time, just to see if rice water has the potential on getting rid of dark spots, skin texture, and pimples in only 1 week. Hi, my name is Doro and I make natural beauty videos here on YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed, just hit the red button and also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of the videos. So 2 days before starting this experiment, this batch of fermented rice water was prepared. The reason fermented rice water is recommended is due to the potential benefits that this kind of method will have on your skin over the 30-minute soaking method. It is said that the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants contained in rice will be further enhanced when the rice is left in fermentation. Please check the chapter section to learn how to make this fermented rice water. Hey guys, this is day 1 using rice water on my face. So basically this is going to be the rice water routine that I will be following for the next 5 days. First things first, I will be washing my face with a mild cleanser. Right after, I will be applying the rice water on the entire skin using this glass dropper. Of course you can use a cotton pad, but I want to complicate my life, so this is the way to go. And just put it on my face. Here are 2 important things that you must know before using rice water on your face. First of all, rice water is supposed to be used as a toner or as a face cleanser. And the reason for this is that rice water needs to be absorbed into the skin to actually see results. But this can only happen if you use it daily as a part of your skincare routine. Second thing you must know is that once you apply the rice water on your face, it should not be rinsed out. Instead, you have to leave it on your skin as an overnight treatment. The rice water already soaked in my skin. I don't have any weird sensations or anything like that. It's not sticky. The next step will be following up with a oil-free, fragrance-free moisturizer. Even though rice is gentle on the skin and is supposed to prevent and reduce dryness, you still need to moisturize your skin afterwards so that your skin doesn't compensate for the lack of oil by producing more oil, which can lead to breakouts. It looks nice. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. Here is my rice water. I already washed my face and that's it. We're gonna start applying it. So I'm just gonna grab some of the rice water. Okay. As you can see, I'm rubbing the rice water on the skin using gentle circular motions for the most parts of my face. And on delicate areas like the under eye, all I'm doing is tapping gently with my fingertips. By the way, the amount of rice water I'm using on each application is the equivalent of 2 squeezes. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't seen like any difference in my complexion. I haven't break out though, which is always a good thing. Now that I put the rice water in the freezer, not freezer, the refrigerator, the water is super cooling and it feels
Amazing.
I'm gonna go because I'm getting weird. Bye, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to day number 3. I want to show you how my skin looks at this point. I promise you I'm not gonna do any crazy stuff. I'm just gonna be serious about it. You can see that pimple right there is still there. Still has some redness. Somehow the hyperpigmentation on my forehead, it looks less dark. Other than that, I haven't gotten any new blind pimples. So far my skin doesn't look any worse or any better. Here is my rice water and this is what I wanted to show you. As you guys can see, it's getting like fermented. I don't know if that's the right word, but now that I shook the rice water, I'm going to grab my dropper, get some of the rice water and start applying the rice water straight on my face. Now I'm just gonna let my skin soak the rice water, which it doesn't take that long, it's like a minute. This is how my skin looks. This is how much moisturizer I'm going to apply. Good, good. I will see you tomorrow on day 4. Hey guys, this is how my skin looks on day 4. So let's begin with the application, and all I'm gonna do is to shake the rice water first, apply it on clean skin, and then follow up with the moisturizer. As you can tell, the smell is so disgusting at this point that I wanted to stop application a few times. Anyways, the most remarkable thing that happened today was that as soon as my skin absorbed the stinky rice water, my complexion felt very smooth and soft right away. I was really surprised. Can you just tell them what it smells like?
A fart.
Okay. I am seriously convinced that the older and the stinkier the fermented rice water is, and wow, the better the results you'll be getting on your skin. I promise you, I'm not kidding. I will grab some of the rice water and apply it to my face. Oh gosh. I'll do one more and that's it. I can't even get over this smell. It's so strong. I'm saying this because the only days where I saw instant results were on day 4 and 5, which were the days where the rice water was so stinky, so smelly that the smell would stay on my skin for about an hour before it went away. I don't even know if it went away. Maybe I
just got used to it.
If you smell it, it's not so bad. As soon as I put it on my face, it's like the smell breaks out and it's like... However, despite the really strong smell, my skin never felt during those days irritated, uncomfortable, and it never ever got dry. So I guess that's something that we will give it a thumbs up. To be honest, I wouldn't try this if you're expecting to get results right away. And also there's a small gap and you will not get any results at all, because in those 5 days that I tried the fermented rice water, I didn't see any change in skin texture and pimples. Despite these results, rice water actually got rid of the dark spots on my forehead, also reduced the amount of red hyperpigmentation on my cheeks as well, which I was so surprised, to the point that I was like, maybe I should give it a try and go for a longer time using fermented rice water. And then I literally opened the jar and I was like,
nope.
This doesn't mean that I don't believe in the power of rice for all my rice lovers. Anyways, not everything is bad news, guys, because I made this rice face mask a few months ago and it was really pleasant to apply it. And at the same time, if you want to see results right away, you'll see it with this rice face mask. So make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Pura vida. So here's how you can make fermented rice water for your face. So basically all you need to do is to use 1/4 of regular white rice. Any white rice is acceptable for this recipe. Now with some water and using your hands, rinse the rice 3 times so that you can wash off any dirt or impurities contained in the rice. So now that the rice is clean, which is the 4th batch for me, I'll transfer the rice to a glass container and then add 3/4 of water. Before letting it soak for an hour, please make sure to stir the rice water a little bit so that you can get this milky color consistency. After an hour, strain out the rice water, put the rice water back in the glass container or whatever sealed container you're using, and from now on you need to leave the rice water at room temperature for a minimum of 24 hours, maximum 48 hours, so that the rice gets fermented. A simple way to know when your rice water is ready is that the smell has to have a slightly sour, not strong smell, and if it has it, your rice water is ready to be used.